Morning teachers, how are you? So this is my computer project, so let's start. So first of all I should introduce myself. My name is Ayush Gupta. I am a student of class 9D. My roll number is 20. This is my computer project. Let's start the video. So in computer project we have got to write the functions of operating system. So there are many functions of operating system. Some of them are input, output or device management, memory management, process management, command interpretation, file management, security, user interface. So let us discuss about all these functions of operating system in detail. So first of all, process management. We can perform any task or open many programs at a time on a computer. This feature, multitasking, multi-programming, is managed by operating system. The OS decides which process gets the processor when and for how much time. The OS allocates the processor CPU to a process and deallocates processor when a process is no longer required. The process management module of an OS takes care of the creation and deletion of the process and scheduling of various system resources to the different process requesting them. This function is known as process scheduling. So next is memory management. All the data programs are saved in the computer memory. The memory management module of an operating system takes care of the location and recollection of the primary memory or main memory. The main memory is directly accessed by the CPU to speed up the processing, and operating system keep track of main memory. It distributes the memory among different processes in case of multiprogramming. It also allocates the memory to a process when it requires and deallocates the memory when the process terminated. So the third one is file management. So, in addition to the memory, data and programs are also stored on the secondary stage devices such as hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, etc. File management module of an operating system involves keeping track of all the different files and also maintaining the integrity of the data stored in the files, including the files directory structure. So the fourth one is security. Security securing our data information from unauthorized access is one of the most important functions performed by an operating system. The security modules of an operating system protect the resources and information of a computer against destruction and unauthorized access. So another one is command interpretation. The command interpretation module of an operating system takes care of interpreting user command and directing the system resources to handle the request. With this mode of interaction with the system, the user is usually not too concerned with the hardware details of the system. So next one is input, output or device management. So the coordination and control of various input and output devices is an important function of operating system. The part of OS keeps a track of device is known as the IO controller, and iOS and OS manage device communication via their respective drives. It allocates and deallocates the devices among the process. So this is my computer project. So thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thank you.